It's eviction day for the chicks in the brooder. So we started with 104 of them. We've lost almost 30. So we're down to 70 some in there. We got these two built yesterday. I didn't film the end of it. I was up against some time, so I had to leave to go to the racetrack. But I got the two, chicken houses built. We'll put them out in the field, and they'll live the rest of the time out there. Got about 4 to 5 weeks, I think, left, and then they'll be in the freezer after that. So I filmed making these yesterday, but like I said, I had to run to the racetrack. I ran up against the time limit, so had to run to the racetrack. Didn't film the end of it, so we're gonna get these out to the field today, and then we'll get the chicks out there, and then we'll have fresh farm-raised chicken in the freezer here not too long. So it's been an experience for sure. Once we get completely done with the processing and everything, we'll kind of I'll talk about that, but it's been an experience for sure. So what we're going to do today is get the chicks moved out of the shop, out of the brooder, and into the field. Well, after some discussion with the chicken lady, went ahead, so I had it boxed at the front or the bottom, and I just built 2 boxes and then stood them up, but went ahead and took the front and back off. So we'll see how this works. Well, the chicks are fully out here. They've been out here most of the day, kind of just hanging around. Right now, they were underneath the shade, but it's cooled down a little bit as the storm's gonna come through. So they're just hanging out, still all together. They got all this space now. They were in just a brooder. Now they got a small little area, but kind of just hanging out. So they're out here for about July 8th. July 8th is when they will come up for complete eviction. So they're just kind of huddled together. They're just hanging out. It's been an experience for sure. I think I talked about it, but see what happens the rest of the year, or the rest of the month at least. Of course, all these are curious what's going on with the little ones, but so far so good, so keep an eye on it. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. Make sure to share with your friends. Hit that notifications tab so you know when we post videos, and we'll see you soon.